Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tina from Tinaheals.com. This video is also about love, relationship, and getting your love back. I will stress again before every single video that I do not support Vashikaran, Pati Vashikaran, or anything like that, or love spells or akarshan spells, because it can become very inorganic and unnatural to force love onto someone. But in extreme cases, if you have 20 years of marriage, if you have 2 children, and your husband's with someone who's really just draining them in all possible ways, and he's not listening to you, he's not connecting with you, then this Kriya and mantra can really help you guys connect back. So the key to this is a Kali mantra. So I've already given you guys a Kali mantra, check that out. But the key to this is on a Saturday or a Friday. This has to be done in the intersection of 3 roads or 4 roads. So basically crossroads. This cannot be done at home. You have to be in a quiet place where you will not be disturbed, where you will be able to complete all the japamalas, okay? 100,000 chants have to be complete before you get siddhi in this particular mantra, okay? 100,000 chants. And before you begin, you have to take the name of the person quietly in your mind. You can say it out loudly, but quietly in your mind works. You can even write it down and stare at it, okay? Stare at the name, think of the person, concentrate, meditate, visualize, okay? And then what you do is you start chanting the mantra. You chant the mantra for 108 counts, okay? And then you end with that person's name, and then you just sit in meditation for a bit and blow to the universe like this, okay? So 100,000 chants done at intersection of 3 roads, not at home. It's Kali mantra, so connect to the energy of Kali before you embark on this mantric adventure. Again, Vashikaran is not something I suggest. Do not try to do this for nefarious sense. It's not going to work. It will backfire on you. Do this only in extreme situations where you have no way out, and you're going to lose your family, something severe. So this is the mantra. Om Reem Reem Kali Kali Swaha. 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 I chanted 11 counts. After that, take the name of the person and if you can, visualize them in front of you and literally blow into them. And if the goddess is willing, if your situation is really necessary that you want this person back, this mantra and this Kriya is one of the most effective ways of getting him or her back. Thank you so much. Speak soon. And book your own sessions and book your own mantric initiation, mantric kavach, and all things to do with mantra, yantra, puja, havan, dasha mahavidya, tarot, astro, and whatnot. Thank you. Speak soon.